Hey, welcome back. You are listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I am your host, it's Paul Motley here, and I might sound a little strained at the moment, mainly because I pulled my back 2 days ago and it is just not going away. I'm seriously doubled over, can only just walk from the couch to the bathroom to the bed. Oh man, it's horrible right now. But we are the day after Black Friday, and what's interesting is that, man, did you see a spike in the amount of emails that you were getting? Because I certainly did. I mean, normally I'd get like anything between 200, 250. I must have counted or estimated, I counted at least 500 emails yesterday from people sending out crazy offers. And one of the things that I found was that there might be something that you were looking out for and hoping there was a Black Friday offer on, but other times there's like so much out there and you just think, yeah, that's kind of like the thing that I was looking for, and you know, that's going to help me, and yeah, it's such a great deal, I'm going to go for it, right? And I've made purchases online before for Black Friday offers just off a whim, but this year I really wanted to drill it down. I knew that there'd probably be something that I was interested in, and I wanted to drill it right down to maybe 1 or 2 offers maximum. I mean, as it turned out, I only purchased one thing yesterday, and I had my own offer, of course, which people bought, which was great. So that was cool. But one of the things that I've been looking for a long time was a way to get my social media content done for me, right? And, you know, when you actually start looking into this, you go on to Upwork or Fiverr, or you go to an agency to go and find somebody to create content for you is expensive, right? And that's not something that I was really happy on doing. I didn't really want to employ a VA just to go out and research and have to train them up to say, you know, to find the things that I'm interested in to post, and then having to share passwords and all that bullshit that goes with it, because I still have that little bit of a problem when it goes to trusting VAs, and, you know, I'm sure other people are fine with it, but that's kind of like where I was. And what happened was yesterday, I've been seeing this guy for a little while online, right? Not in person, obviously, but, you know, sending out, you know, Facebook ads and seeing all this and all this and all this. And I thought, do you know what? I got an email from him. Actually, no, I think it was an ad. I saw an ad and I thought, yeah, I'll check this out. And I looked through it and I was thinking, okay, right, this guy's going to do this, he's going to do that, he's going to provide me with this, whatever. And I thought maybe it's like, I don't know, either $49 or $97. Turns out it was $7. So, of course, wallet out, press go. And then, like all good marketers, he then starts on the upsell on the funnels. And I didn't take him up on the first one, I didn't take him up on the second one, but I took him up on the third one, which was content creation done for me for 365 days of the year. And I just thought, wow, that's cool. I like that, because then I can dip in and I've got like, and it's not just like one a day, it's like 4 or 5 items a day that I could tap into. And I know from previous experience for scheduling posts out, or either on Buffer or later.com or whatever it is, that you could spend an hour going ahead. If you have everything already done for you, if you have it all ready to go, you could spend 1 hour and have the entire month scheduled out. And I just thought, well, that's just too good. I'm just going to go for that. So that's what I did. So now I'm thinking, right, okay, right. The only thing that I found with all these scheduling apps is that they will post to your page, they will post to Twitter, they will post to Pinterest, they will post to Instagram. Some of them will do Instagram stories, some of them will also do to LinkedIn. But it's very rare to find one that you can schedule out on your personal profile. So there's going to still be a little bit of work goes into that. But man, doesn't it take the heat off, not having to worry about and not having to think about that. But the point is that even though you're posting content and you're posting engaging content that people are then going to engage with, they are going to start clicking links and all that good stuff, right? Over time, when you stay consistent and using the right tags and everything else that you're supposed to on all these different platforms, you need to make sure you've still got a decent offer that you're sending them to. You've got to have some sort of CTA, call to action, so that you can profit long term from it. So that's the next thing to do. So even though you're creating content, like I create content every day and publish on this podcast, I still need to make sure that I am pointing people in the right direction and showing people something that's going to help them with their business. And as affiliate marketers, yes, then we get a commission. That's how it all works. That's the game. But it's important to make sure you do get that sort of like planned in along with your content creation. Right, so anyway, I'm going to go back. I'm going to go take some more painkillers, and I will look forward to speaking to you all tomorrow.